Hello, in front of me I've got UleFone Note 13P. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also enable this function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers with a high of 62 and a low of 44.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.